Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. Welcome to Mini Melodies, or story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. So today's story time is all about butterflies. Aren't they cool? They're really pretty too. And they do a lot for the environment and for the flowers. So take out your lesson plans and follow along. As always, we're going to start with you'll sing a song and I'll sing a song. So here we go. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song. And we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Okay, let's go again. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Okay, awesome. So our next song is called Creepy Crawly, and that's about caterpillars. And caterpillars become butterflies. So this song's to the tune of The Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round. So if you know the tune, sing along, okay? Creepy crawly, munch, 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 munch. Creepy crawly, munch, munch, munch. All it eats are leaves for lunch. So the creepy crawly is the caterpillar. Creepy crawly, munch, 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 munch. Creepy crawly, munch, munch, munch. All it eats are leaves for lunch. Okay, so our first book is actually about caterpillars, and it's called Caterpillar Dreams. Henry the caterpillar has a dream. He wants to fly. His whole life, he's wanted to see the world outside of his garden. Night and day, Henry dreams of going on amazing, incredible, impossible seeming adventures. But Henry is just a little creepy crawly caterpillar. And how is a little caterpillar ever going to see all that the world has to offer? His friends don't want Henry to leave the garden. It's safe here, says Snail. It's where your friends are, Worm tells him. Seriously, Henry, an adventure sounds exhausting, Slug says with a sigh. Only Toad understands. Here's the thing with dreams, Henry. If you don't chase them, they always get away. But on the other side of the wall is a busy road. Hi, Mole. I'm going on an amazing, incredible, impossible seeming adventure. Can you help me? Asks Henry. I can't go on an adventure today. I need to finish my tunnel under the road, Mole mumbles. That's okay. I'll help, says Henry. He's helping the mole make a tunnel. But on the other side of the road is a big, big lake. Hello, fish. I'm going on an amazing, incredible, impossible seeming adventure. Want to come along? Oh, I could never leave my lake, but I'm happy to help you across. Awesome, says Henry. See, he's hitching a ride on that fish. Henry flew over a wall, burrowed under a road, and crossed a lake. But still, his adventure had barely even begun. Then, far ahead, Henry sees something he's never seen before. A giant balloon. See, it's an air balloon, kind of like in The Wizard of Oz, if you've seen it. You know, with the yellow brick road? This is where my amazing, impossible, incredible, impossible seeming adventure will begin. Henry just knows it. If he can get to the top of the balloon, Henry will be able to see the whole world. But before Henry reaches the top, something happens to him. A cocoon starts to form around him. He tries to wiggle and squiggle his way free, but he can't move. Do you know what happens when caterpillars go into a cocoon? Henry is stuck. His dream is going to get away. Oh, look, he's changing inside the cocoon. It is dark in his cocoon and warm. Henry can't help but fall asleep. But while he sleeps, something happens that is more amazing than any dream. Henry wakes and pokes his head out of the cocoon. He is riding the balloon high in the sky. Henry knows he should be scared, but he isn't. Henry has become a butterfly. He has wings, he can fly, he can go anywhere. So, where does Henry go? Where do you think he goes? He goes home. The most amazing, incredible, and possibly possible place of all. He missed all his friends. Never stop chasing your dreams. See, caterpillars have all kinds of dreams. Isn't it cool? He wanted to be a butterfly. He thought it would be impossible to fly, but that's what he became. Okay, so next we have a poem, and it's all about caterpillars. Okay, so 5 little caterpillars wiggling on a leaf. One falls off and goes to sleep. Close your eyes and wait a week. Up comes a butterfly floating on the breeze. 4 little caterpillars wiggling on a leaf. One falls off and goes to sleep. Close her eyes and wait a week. Up comes a butterfly floating on the breeze. 2 little caterpillars wiggling on a leaf. One falls off and goes to sleep. I missed 3. That's okay. Let's start over, okay? Okay, so 5 little caterpillars wiggling on a leaf. One falls off and goes to sleep. Close her eyes and wait a week. Up comes a butterfly floating on the breeze. 4 little caterpillars wiggling on a leaf. One falls off and goes to sleep. Close her eyes and wait a week. Up comes a butterfly floating on the breeze. 3 little caterpillars wiggling on a leaf. One falls off and goes to sleep. Close her eyes and wait a week. Up comes a butterfly floating on the breeze. 2 little caterpillars wiggling on a leaf. One falls off and goes to sleep. Close her eyes and wait a week. Up comes a butterfly floating on the breeze. 1 little caterpillar wiggling on a leaf. One falls off and goes to sleep. Close her eyes and wait a week. Up comes a butterfly floating on the breeze. No more caterpillars, no more leaves. 5 little butterflies floating on the breeze. Okay, so our next book is about butterflies, and it ties in with our craft, which is a cool little butterfly tree. So you're going to trace your hand, and then you're going to put butterflies on your fingers. So it looks like a tree, okay? And then it has a nice little poem that says, "Once I spoke the language of the flowers. Once I understood each word the caterpillar said." And that's by Shel Silverstein. This would be a nice gift to give someone, huh? Okay. So our next book is about butterflies, and it's called Butterfly Park. Once there was a girl who was moving to a new town. This made her sad. She was going to miss the birds that sang in the morning and the crickets that sang at night. But most of all, she was going to miss the butterflies. After a long, winding trip, she and her family arrived at their new home. Instead of birds and crickets, she heard horns and trains. So see, she moved from the country to the city. And then there was her house, plain and gray like all the others. But next to it was a gate unlike any other. The girl repeated the letters. Suddenly, she felt very lucky. See? Butterfly Park. The next morning, the girl couldn't wait to meet the butterflies. She set off with a plate of cookies, for it was always smart to make a good first impression. But when she opened the gate to Butterfly Park, she didn't see a butterfly anywhere. The girl waited and waited, had a cookie, and waited some more. Finally, she saw one, though it was in her neighbor's yard. The girl knocked on their door and asked a boy if he would help her catch the butterfly. He agreed and knew how to reach way up high. Together, they caught the butterfly and took it to Butterfly Park. But up, and away it flew over the gate. They needed more help if they were going to bring butterflies to Butterfly Park. So they knocked and knocked on all the neighbors' doors. The children were happy to help. They swung their nets and caught a few, but when they took them to Butterfly Park, up, and away the butterflies flew, except for one. The children wondered what the butterfly wanted, and suddenly it flew away. The girls and boys dropped their nets and followed the butterfly. It took them up and down and through the town. Curiosity grew. Windows and doors began to open. Everyone was having such fun. Others joined in too. It's like the whole town. The butterfly led them along a winding path and up many twisting stairs until they reached the top. From there, they could see. What do you think the butterfly is leading them to? Flowers. Yes, butterflies love flowers for their sweet nectar. At last, the girl knew what to do. Bright and early the next day, she set off for Butterfly Park again, this time with flowers. The girl waited, listening to the sounds of the busy town. There were still no butterflies. Then, when she looked through the gate, something caught her eye. It was her neighbors. They arrived with boots and gnomes and wagons. They brought trowels and dirt and shovels. They showed her that plants need roots to grow. Together, everyone planted until the park was brimming with flowers and laughter. See, they all came together. And sure enough, in time, the butterflies came. The girl not only felt very lucky, she also felt right at home. See, because she made friends. Butterflies love flowers. Okay, so our last song is called Flutter, Flutter, Butterfly. It's to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay, so here we go. Flutter, flutter, butterfly, flying in the springtime sky, flying by for all to see, flying by so merrily. Flutter, flutter, butterfly, flying in the springtime sky. Okay, let's go again. Flutter, flutter, butterfly, flying in the springtime sky, flying by for all to see, flying by so merrily. Flutter, flutter, butterfly, flying in the springtime sky. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching the story time, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.